Hey guys, so it is almost 2 o'clock and I just added another page. I added a cleaning page for a cleaning schedule. I'm gonna edit it in a bit, but happy first day of fall. I didn't say that yet. I didn't talk to you guys yet. It's a really dark and gloomy day, so look at that sleeping puppy. And it is officially candle weather. I have this Goose Creek warm donut sugar candle I'm gonna light hopefully tonight. And soon, once it gets colder out, because it's still kind of hot, I'm gonna switch my phone into this phone case. Apparently there is a thing going on Twitch, so I am not streaming today. And apparently boyfriend will be heading over some point today, and I'll be going shopping with my mom tonight. That's pretty much the plans, besides my normal routine. I'll see you guys in a bit, I guess. I'm stuck at the 7-Eleven. It's raining so badly outside. I was doing a little bit of vlogging. I have that on my phone.
Poor vlogging the inside of the 7-Eleven.
Hey, it's only pointed at me. It's only seeing me. So many people are getting stuck.
Just talking all to me. I was surprised you spoke up.
About what?
When we first walked in, you asked about the bathroom.
Well,
usually you're so shy.
I've been getting more confident the more streaming I do. I was like, you know what? You keep talking about it. Maybe I can shut you up. So a lot of my town is flooded, and the car broke down in the middle of an intersection. And we called AAA. AAA said that they were going to come and get us, and then they called us a few minutes later and said that they're not sending anyone out. So then we're stuck here. So then we called the police, and the police said to get out of the car, and the closest place was 7-Eleven, so we went there. And the police literally just told us to wait here a few hours and hope that it lets up. I checked the weather. It's not supposed to stop raining until 2 a.m. So we'll see how long this vlog goes. It might be a 2-day vlog. Oh my god. Someone's trying to drive through it. Look at this. Look at this! This is insane! This is the most insane first day of fall ever! There's our car stuck in the middle of the road at this intersection. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear me. We drove through that. We made it. There's no water near our tires. Well, yeah, there's a little bit because it's raining. But then it stopped right before we had to go up the hill up there to get home. We are 3 blocks from home. Look at the trash floating around in it. And I'm pretty sure there's a trash can down there. I'm surprised how cold it is. I'm not even sure if you guys can see this. This is insane.
You're all still there.
I mean, you can take the magnets if you want to. I was just recording the giant puddle.
We should get the groceries though.
Well, yeah, we should get the groceries. That's the whole point of us leaving in the first place. He stepped on a stick. Relax. Look at the wood. There's wood with nails on it. I'm not even sure my phone's picking it up. Walking home. When you get home, you want one of my Butterfingers? Well, I figured that.